Hey guys, it's your good old pal here, Diego. We're going to be doing Miss Munoz's closure problem. It seemed a few of us were kind of stuck up on it, and I want to make sure we're all clear on it. It's a good review anyways, so let's get right into it, right? The problem states that from this lady's eyesight, um, all the way to the top of the statue, the angle of elevation, because it's going up, is 30, right? And the angle of depression to the base of the statue is 22. And of course, she's 12 feet away from it, so that's where we get this measurement. I'm sure you guys were all just stuck up on the visualization. Now that it's kind of drawn like this, I'm sure you completely understand it. For those of you that just want to get double check your answers, I'm gonna finish it out here for you. Of course, tangent of a 30, because remember, it's theta, and theta will always be a degree measurement. Let me put this little symbol here so it's a bit more clear. The tangent of 30 here is going to be equal to our opposite, which is an unknown value. I like to define it as x, but it really doesn't matter. It's just more formal. With our adjacent being 12, keep in mind it's feet. It seems Miss Munozs harps on a units of measurement quite a bit, so I'd be sure to include them. Well, maybe in your final answer, not here. It's just kind of to make a point. Point being, we're going to multiply both sides by 12 here, right? Because we want to isolate the x, and because this is division, the opposite of division is multiplication. Do you guys know the answer to that? Because I sure don't. So that's why we're going to visit our good old buddy, the calculator. We use this guy pretty often. If you guys don't recognize him, sucks to suck, I guess. We're going to be inputting the tangent of 30, which is that. Then we're going to multiply that by 12. We're just going to round this for a, easiness. That's going to be 6.93. I usually like to round to the hundredths, so, yeah. But this isn't our answer, because remember, this is only our measurement for the upper half. What we want now is a measurement for the lower half, right? So we need to do basically the exact same thing. The tangent of 22 is equal to x over 12. Because remember, this is our adjacent, opposite, not to harp on it. Multiply both sides by 12, leaving us with 12 times the tangent of 22 is equal to x. Boot up our calculator here. (22) tangent times 12, and that's this. But again, people, this isn't our answer. We actually need to combine these. Sorry. Now that we have this value, we just need to plug these two together. Because remember, these are only the separate values for these pieces. If we want the total height of the statue, we're going to want to add these. 4.84 plus 6.93 is going to be roughly 11.7. Remember, these values were rounded, so this number varies a little bit, but that's what we really need to worry about. Remember, if our answer was to the nearest foot, this answer would be 12, because this is our nearest foot value. And, again, units of measurement, having this be our answer. I understand if you guys were confused. I just really wanted to clear that up a bit. Made this nice and simple video. I hope this was a good review. I hope you guys understood it. Thank you for your time.